Right, we've got Rewind's new front end. That's in very good nick. Nick?
It's in great nick.
Right, it's Dan from Aussie Garage here. We're back with Nick, the next part of Rewind's rebuild. So Nick, what are we doing today, mate?
So today we're going to brace up the chassis, and we're taking out the cross member in preparation to put a Jag front end in.
Yeah, right, awesome.
So we're removing the wishbone suspension of the old Holden, cleaning up the chassis, and we'll bolt in the Jag front end. To be running airbags, rack and steering, power steering, the whole lot.
Nice. Sounds like a cool setup.
Hopefully, yes.
More custom.
More custom. And then we've got to work out how we're doing this firewall, because that's probably going to come out soon.
Yep.
We're grafting in a VF firewall and floor pan.
Yep.
And then planning to well, we are going to be putting in the VF dash.
Yep.
As well.
Yeah, nice.
So that's all the next few weeks' work.
All right, no worries at all, mate. All right, well, let's get into it then, eh?
Let's get into it.
All right.
Pretty low.
Yeah, it's not low.
It's like 6 inches off the road.
It's not low.
But that's the lowest point because it's lower. It's actually lower than the rest of it.
Yeah.
The sills are fucking... 6 inches. Well, you've got 2 inches to play.
You cut that off the top.
Yeah.
Maybe you can get the gas in there. Is that right?
It's in a little plane stand.
We're going to go straight across there. Down there.
Yeah, I'll take it out before the... Well, it doesn't really matter, do it? We can just take it out roughly for now and
Yeah.
tune it from there. And trim it down from there. Cut that fucking snot off.
Can you grind that off, or are you going to gas axe it off?
I'd gas it fucking quicker.
Yeah.
Easier and quicker. Oh.
What now, Nick?
What now? What now? So we're about to cut all this out to start the next process, which is
Make room, yeah?
Make room for the Jag front end. So bit of a task, and once we start, there's no going back.
That's it, point of no return.
Point of no return.
Well, let's get into it quick so he doesn't change his mind, eh?
Thank you. So is it too late now?
Huh?
Is it too late to say no?
Yep. Unless you want to start putting it back in yourself. Dragging to the right. Yeah.
I'll make any difference to Nick, maybe he wouldn't notice it. Just from one way or the other.
Yeah, he's unstable anyway.
Yeah.
Right, that'll hurt. Right.
That is
XJS Jaguar.
Oh, yes, XJS Jaguar front suspension, which we're going to fit into rewind.
Nice.
Which Neil's going to fit into rewind.
Yep.
And we're going, and I'm going to go.
Well, it'll match the back end because you've already got the Jag rear end in it, don't you?
Well, this all detailed up as well. It's going to look pretty flash. So,
yeah.
It will look Hollywood as fuck as they say.
It's awesome.
Can't use that, can you?
Very good, mate.
Swearing.
That's all right.
But it will look great. It will.
I'm pretty sure.
Centre of the hub.
Wheel. But we need to, so it's 90 degrees, you know what I mean? So we need to come that way. I'm pretty sure it's in line with these bolts.
Right, so where you want me to be? In there or any?
Well, basically, just that square
Yeah.
and a centre line.
Oh, okay.
All right, we're going to leave Nick there today. I'm heading home. Good luck with that.
It'll be worth it.
Oh, it'll totally be worth it.
Yeah,
100%.
it'll be great.
Can't go backwards now anyway.
No, well, we can always throw out the chassis and start again, but then what would be the point?
Ah, that's right. Yeah.
So let's just soldier on and make this a van to remember.
Yep. Well, that's the vanning way, isn't it?
It is.
Customise, customise, customise.
Oh, that's the old way.
Yeah.
Unless we store stuff.
Very good, mate.
I think he's got the bastard ass the wood for him anyway. He's got to take a photo.
It gets it anyway.
Yeah.
If you win it 3 times, it means you have it stupid. I don't know.
I was looking good for that too until he fucking burned his van down.
Oh, then you, well, this is your one.
Yeah. When I lost my wheel coming back from Dongra.
Well, yeah. That was you. That was yours as well.
Yeah.
Well, did you back your start? Snap your start?
No, the bearing disintegrated.
Yeah.